Hi, it's Vias Tarot. Hello, all signs. Okay, so let's see and let's check anong pwedeng i-expect bago mag-end ang May. Okay, so yeah. Before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And yeah, kung may tanong pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganun rin po pagdating po dito sa ating mga items. Okay, so we do have protection from evil eye. So meron tayong ring, adjustable yung ring natin, ring, necklace, and bracelets. Okay, so yeah, meron din tayo about sa love. Okay, yung love bracelet natin. So kung meron ka mga gustong ma-fix pagdating sa love situation mo, if you're single, then yeah, you're looking for love, you're looking for somebody na pwedeng makasama, no? Mga ganyan. So ito yung para sa'yo. Okay, and yung ating granter na tumutulong to manifest, okay, or para makuha mo yung mga minamanifest mo. This is unisex, okay, and this is made to order. Okay, and yeah, tagapagbigay din ng surprises yung si granter. And syempre yung ating cord cutting. Okay, yung pang cord cut natin, ito siya, medyo bulky, pero yes, pwede mong ilagay sa isang pouch. Okay, white pouch or red pouch. So yeah, pag-aalis ng mga unnecessary na energies, no, na nakakapit pa sa'yo, kaya ikaw itong parang nahihirapang umusad, no, sa buhay. Okay, so yeah, let's start the reading for you, all signs. Okay, let's see. Unahin natin ang mga air signs, Gemini, Libra, and Aqua. So what to expect before mag-end ang May? What to expect? Energies surrounding air signs bago mag-end ang May. Okay. Air signs. King of Swords. Eight of Wands Universe. Oh, so meron ako nakikitang process. Okay, processing akong naririnig. May maipa-process, merong pipirmahan yung iba sa inyo. I don't know kung ano to, something na na-delay before, something na hindi natuloy before, I think. Okay, so in general, lalo na kung merong yung mga pipirmahan, something talking about legal din. Okay, transactions. So may mapaprocess bago mag-end ang May. Okay, so I'm hearing then the word promotion for some of you. Okay, so what else for air signs? Okay, the Nine of Pentacles. This is your money. Okay, your money. So I'm hearing abundance, no? Pwedeng pagtaas ng kaperahan bago mag-end ang May. Yes. Ano tong Nine of Pentacles? Some of you, this is talking about responsibilities, commitments. Yeah, the Three of Cups. This is nice. Your money is going up, going good, going great. This is talking about success, victory, occasion. Some of you may chance na pwedeng may maka-connect like romantic bago mag-end ang May. Okay, so what else? Some of you, ikaw itong parang lalabas-labas ka lang together with your friends, colleagues. Okay, yan. Kasi iba sa inyo parang, yeah, single. And tingnan natin itong Three of Cups. Yeah, the Moon. Ang narinig ko dito, somebody who is like, sabihin nating mawiwiling pumunta sa mga bar. Okay, may mga ganun. going out with your friends sa gabi. Parang ganyan. Okay? Yeah, see? The Two of Cups. This is offer. Love offer maybe. In general, there's this offer coming in for you. Could be pera or could be connection, like romantic connection. Okay? Excuse me. What else for you air signs? Gemini, Libra, and Aqua. May masasettle. Okay? Yun yung isa kong narinig. Mayroong masasettle bago mag-end ang May. Yeah, the Four of Wands. Four of Wands. Ang ganda dito kung makikita nyo, this is matic promotion talaga para sa iba or pagtaas ng pamemera. May pagbabago. Okay? Iba sa inyo may paglalaanan ng pera. Sabihin nating tutubo. Parang ganun. Meron din ditong i-investan. Parang ganyan. Meron magbubukas ng new account. Okay? The Four of Wands. This is talking about stability. Some of you, this is talking about relationship. Kasal. Yung iba, nandyan, specific. Kasal. Okay? Or yeah, yung energy nito is talking about long term. Something na parang strong. May strong foundation. Like, 4 na sulok. Parang ganyan. Let's see. What's with this Four of Wands? Anong meron? The Hermit. Uy, may kasal dito. Yeah. Okay. Somebody will propose. Will propose. Ano tong Hermit? Yeah, the Ace of Pentacles. Somebody will propose. Will. The Star. Your man is going good. Going great. Okay? This is nice. Somebody is preparing something like big. Okay? I think you're someone's wish fulfillment. Some of you. Wish fulfillment. There's this somebody who has these good intentions pagdating rin sa'yo. Okay? So, may chance na may mga ganyan na nakapaligid sa'yo bago mag-end ang May. Okay? Some of you, ikaw itong naghahanap. Pwede kasing somebody is like, nagtitingin online or maybe looking, yung energy is looking, parang ganyan, searching. Okay? Pero ang nakikita ko, hindi ikaw ang naghahanap. Siya yung naghahanap and ikaw yung makikita. I'm hearing the word, this is it. Parang ganon. Okay? So, yeah. Yun ang aking nakikita for you, air signs. Next, fire signs. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. What's for you bago mag-end ng May? What's for fire signs? Energy surrounding fire signs bago mag-end ng May. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Yeah, while I'm shuffling. So what's for you, fire signs? The Emperor. Managing. Rules. Obligations. The Four of Swords. This is like taking a break. Pagdating sa mga minamanage mo, pagdating sa mga obligasyon, taking a break. The Ace of Pentacles. What's with this Four of Swords? Somebody is planning. May energy dito na ano eh, parang naghahanda. Ano tong Four of Swords? Yeah, Judgment. Hindi malabong makakuha, yes, so Page of Pentacles. Hindi malabo yung iba sa inyo na pwedeng offeran ng increase. Okay? Increase or sabihin nating mapapalipat ka sa mas okay na position sa workplace if ever. Okay? Some of you, you'll hear from someone na pwedeng anak mo or tatay mo na pwedeng matagal mo nang hinihintay. Okay? May action na manggagaling mula doon sa magulang na pwedeng matagal ng hindi umaksyon. Makakarinig ka or makakakuha ka ng aksyon coming from them. Okay? Message. Yeah, this is responsibilities, commitments. The Nine of Pentacles in reverse. Some of you, ikaw itong parang makakakuha na ng decision or sagot mula sa mga, sabihin nating legal matter, legal issue. Lalo na kung patungkol sa child support. Some of you. Okay? That's specific, not for all. Meron ng sabihin nating bababaan. And ayun ang narinig ko, may bababaan ng decision. I don't know kung ano yun. May magbababa na ng decision. Hindi ko alam kung ano yun. Okay? So, what else for fire signs? The Eight of Pentacles. Yeah, this is talking about work. Work-related. What's with this Eight of Pentacles? Yan, the Six of Cups. Meron dito maha-hired bago mag-end ang May. May maha-hired. Probationary. Okay, probationary. Yeah, the Magician. Meron ditong parang matatawagan ng HR. Matatawagan ng company, employer, another contract. Meron ako nakukuha ganun. New contract. Na pwedeng patungkol sa sabihin nating long term. Some of you, when it comes to workplace, pwedeng meron kayong mga magiging bagong kaibigan. Okay? Bagong kaibigan or bagong connection. Yeah, see, the Wheel of Fortune. This is nice. This is nice. Fortune. The Wheel of Fortune. Something, okay, in general, kung ano man itong parang pinagpupursigihan mo. Okay, the Eight of Pentacles. Sabihin nating sa maganda ang kalalabasan, magiging okay. Kung ano man, like sabihin natin makakita ka ng good result bago mag-end ang May. Okay? There's this good results bago mag-end ang May. What else? For fire signs. Okay, the Knight of Wands in reverse. What's with that? Knight of Wands in reverse. The World. Okay, so there's this energy about acceptance. Pagdating doon sa taong nagloko sa'yo. Okay, I don't know kung paano. I don't know, like, pwedeng magbigay ito ng closure or ikaw ito magbigay sa sarili mo ng closure. Yeah, Death in reversed. This is acceptance, the Fool. Kung sabihin natin parang mas magiging okay ka na, like, yeah, pagdating sa past person or pagdating dun sa tao na nagloko sa'yo in general. Okay, so in general, we're talking about in general. So, meaning, pwedeng hindi romantic, okay, pwedeng romantic. Parang ganyan. So, ang root word is nagloko sa'yo, tong taong to. Okay. The Star in reverse. Yeah. Mayroon akong kuha dito energy ng somebody na pwedeng nagtakbo ng pera mo. Andun pa rin yung pagtatago niya. Hindi ko pa rin po nakikita na pwedeng magbayad sa iyo Okay? So, may obligasyon yung tao pero tinatakbuhan niya. Baka ikaw is naghihintay ng kung ano man bago mag-end ang May, then wala Okay? Specific yun. Yeah, the Chariot in reverse. Nandiyan yung parang mapepending. Okay, yeah, the Ace of Pentacles in reverse and the Chariot in reverse. This is pending. Paasa tong energy na to na nasa dulo. Okay? So, yeah, yun ang nakakuha ko for you, fire signs. Next, water signs. Okay, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. What's for you? What's for you, water signs? Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. Anong meron? For water signs, again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Water signs. Okay. So, what's for you? Bago mag-end ang May. Okay. The Sun in reverse. Where is that? This, ano to? The Five of Swords in reverse. Okay. There is this answers, clarity na pwedeng makuha in general. Okay. Bago mag-end ang May. Wala nang masyadong stress. Yeah. Let's see. Ano tong Sun in reverse na ito? Something na nagbibigay sa'yo ng sadness or feeling drained. Okay. Some of you meron ditong magiging okay pagdating sa health. Yeah. What's with the Sun in reverse? Yeah, see the Devil in reverse. Something na nagkakos ng drain. Okay, draining energy sa'yo. Pwedeng maalis. Pwedeng mas magiging okay ka. Yeah, the Fool. Parang merong mag-start something like fresh new slate, fresh clean slate. Parang ganyan. Okay, it's like a new beginning pag ito nawala. Yes. Okay? So, yeah, malilesen yung stress mo, malilesen yung mga iniisip. Okay? Itong mga to, pwedeng nagkokos ng kung ano mang hindi magandang energy sa iyo Yeah. I don't know kung ano yun. So, what else? What else for you, water signs? Bago mag-end ang May. So, sa pa-okay, no? Kung dati may toxic, ngayon magiging okay na, like in general. Yeah. So, magiging mas okay yung energy surrounding water signs. Okay? So, what else? The Five of Pentacles in reversed. Okay. The Nine of Cups in reversed. Anong meron dito? Okay. You're somebody's wish fulfillment. You're somebody's wish fulfillment. I don't know who's who. Could be a water sign or could be an earth sign. Meron ditong parang ayaw manghinayang or sabihin nating ayaw, mag-regret if ever. Kaya gagawa ng way papunta sa'yo. Ayaw nila na may masasayang sa kanila. Alam nila kung anong mawawala sa kanila Okay. Let's see ano tong Five of Pentacles in reversed. Yeah, the star in reverse. Could be an Aquarius. May makikipag-ayos. Yeah, the Ace of Wands in reverse. I'm hearing makeup sex for some of you. Yes. Meron ditong makikipag-ayos. May mangyayaring makeup sex for some of you. Be careful. Yeah, you're their wish fulfillment. Na sabihin natin, yes, ayaw nilang mawawala lang. Okay, you're like the star. What else? Water signs. Nakuha mo star, sun, the devil, temperance. Temperance in reversed. What is that? Why is that? The Hierophant. Oh, a lot of major arcana. Connections. Connecting. Ano yun? The Empress. Anong tinutukoy dito? The Hierophant. Let's see, ano tong Temperance in reversed? Okay, this is decision making. Avoid making decisions like out of emotion, siguro. Okay? Andito yung sinasabing maghinay-hinay bago gumawa ng desisyon, bago mag-end ang May. Or kung ikaw itong may mga gagawing decision, okay, at alam natin papalapit na ang end ng May, tingnan ninyo muna. Okay? Hindi nyo daw kailangang madaliin. Yeah, the Seven of Swords is here. Pwede kasi may magti-trigger, something like, pwedeng, ay okay, sige, it looks like parang too good to be true. Parang may mga ganong energy. So, be careful. Okay? Better be careful. Yeah, the Knight of Wands. Some of you, meron ditong parang arguments na pwedeng mangyari dahil sa sabihin nating pagiging impatient. Yeah, the Two of Cups. This is talking about commitments or responsibilities mo sa isang kakonek. Be careful. If you're sabihin nating friendly, okay, the Knight of Wands. Okay, there's somebody who is playing the field. Some of you, kailangan yung balansehin the way you act, the way you speak. Okay? Kasi pwedeng iba yung dating nun sa iba. I don't know kung ano. Okay, so that's a gabay for me. So there. Be careful lang. Okay? So, next. Earth signs. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. So, what's for you, Earth signs? Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Okay, Earth signs. Earth signs. What's for Earth signs bago mag-end ang May? Bago mag-end ang May, what's for you? Okay, let's see. Wow! O, diba? As your first card, the Sun. The Sun. Okay, good news coming in. Good energies. Okay. Happiest card. Pagdating dito sa ating tarot, what's with that Sun? This is talking about child. Okay. Pregnancy for some of you. Yeah, in general, this is good news. Okay, ano to? The Six of Pentacles in reverse. May magbabayad. Biglaan. Okay, yeah, the King of Pentacles. Meron din ditong parang maibibigay. So, kung ano man yun, yung hinihintay mo, kung ano man, yung sa tingin mo na dapat sa'yo, pwedeng maibigay na bago mag-end ang May. Yeah. Okay? What's with the Six of Pentacles in reverse? Yeah, see the Star. Some of you, bago mag-end ang May, may makikita kang something na pwedeng magsisilbing, sabihin natin closure, magsisilbing isang way para mag-heal ka. Okay? Answers, clarity, closure for some of you. Okay? So, for the better. Yeah, for the better. Yeah, the moon. You have the sun, the star, and the moon. Parang kinakampihan ka pa. Parang kinakampihan ka ng sabihin nating kung anong dapat, no? Kasi iba, meron ditong nagtatago eh. May tinatago pero hindi hahayaan na nakatago dyan. Papaalam at papaalam sa'yo. Ibibigay at bibigay sa'yo. Yes. So, in general, kung ano man yung may mga malalaman, iba sa inyo, may mga malalaman ka, sa pa-okay yun, sa paganda. Okay? What else for earth signs? Iba sa inyo, pwedeng meron kayong mga sabihin natin gustong gawin, like mabago pagdating sa cycle, pagdating sa routine. Okay? Pag-i-investan yung sarili, yung mga ganyang bagay. Some of you, ikaw itong parang magiging head turner. Makakakuha ka ng attention, maraming attention. Yeah. The Wheel of Fortune. Yeah. Nice. You have the Wheel of Fortune, the Sun, ang katabi. Diba? For the better, I think. What's with that Wheel of Fortune? The King of Wands. Ano ba yung mga gusto nyong i-manage? There's this good energy na pwedeng kung ano man patungkol sa isang fire sign. Could be Sagittarius, Leo, Aries. Kung ano man ang meron doon sa taong yon, sabihin nating ikaw ang papaboran. Ha? Ano tong King of Wands na to? Yeah, the Page of Wands. Some of you, this is opening a new business. Okay? Opening a new business. Page of Swords. Queen of Cups. Nakakuha ko dito ng energy na pwedeng merong mag-offer sa'yo. Partnership. Business. Okay? Business partnership. And sa pa-okay, ang nakikita ko dito. May mga sisimulan, may mga babaguhin. May mga bubuksan. Okay? Some of you, pagdadalong isipan mo pa to eh. Pero sa pa-okay, ang nakikita ko. What else for earth signs? Earth signs. Earth signs. Okay? Yeah. The Eight of Pentacles. Good news coming in pagdating sa workplace, business mo. Ang nakikita ko is parang may nagro-rotate eh. Okay? From sabihin natin hindi maganda to paganda. Parang ganyan. Yeah, the World. Ace of Swords. Wow. Promotion for some of you. Okay? And andun yung energy ng new contract. Yeah, that's with this Eight of Pentacles. This is something na pwedeng ginagawa mo continuously or consistent ka about this. What's with this? The Ace of Wands in reverse. Sabihin nating malapit mo na itong isuko, no? Pero hindi mo talaga sinusukuan. Kaunti na lang to. Kaunti na lang. Okay? Yan. Ito ang gusto. Ito na, the Ten of Pentacles. Lock natin. Yan. Money is going good. Going great. Okay? Yeah, the Devil in reverse. So, may mga matatanggal na dito. Okay? First card mo is the Sun. Last card mo is the Ten of Pentacles. Some of you, this is talking about, sabihin nating, the best of both worlds. Love, pera. Okay? Yun ang nakukuha ko dito. This is nice. This is nice. I'm hearing travel. Merong may i-designate like may iba ng position. And yeah. Promotion for some of you. Raise. Merit. Yeah. Ten of Pentacles. Money. This is abundance. Okay? In general, kung ano man yung mga sisimulan mo bago mag-end ang May, may magandang kalalabasan. Lalo na kung patungkol po sa pera, ha? Okay? So, there. Yeah. Yun ang ating reading for you. All signs. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page. Thank you. Bye.